You to the weekend when suspects die trying to evade police. Go online, comment, subscribe, gratification to 1 mil. Appreciate you guys for watching the videos, but now I need you guys to like the videos. Like. Remember when the thing, gets a little thing, like the video. Ready? Let's get it started.
Day of 2024 in Monona, Wisconsin.
I try not to pause the
For
video
most
too much. Here, make sure that my audio is good, because last time my audio wasn't that bad. I try not to pause the video too much, like I said, but let's get started.
Celebration still fills the air. However, for 30-year-old Rashad Lamar Nelson, 30-year-old Aaron Javon Willis, and 19-year-old Ajaya Monai Ray, it was going to be a rough start. Or end. Around 9 p.m., a Monona PD officer observed an SUV occupied by the trio. Or end. Around 9 p.m., a Monona PD officer observed an SUV occupied by the trio make what he considered an abrupt turn into the Monona Grove School District office parking lot. The officer suspected the vehicle was attempting to avoid him, so he followed the vehicle into the parking lot. However, the driver didn't park, but instead turned around and sped past the officer onto Nichols Road. And that was the beginning
was he trying to do?
Of a deadly chase.
Uh-oh. Why didn't he just stop? Oh no. He's catching up. He's catching up. He's on that ass. Better hope nobody comes. Better hope, better hope, better hope. Bruh. What's he doing? Fucking bitches. Bro thinks this is GTA. Bro, this is not GTA. Oh, whoa, what the fuck? Damn. 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 Bro, just. Oh. Oh. You just saw his maker really like this. Dang, dude, nobody lived for sure. How did he lose control? Woo! Oh. Woo! Damn, that tree went all the way to the back seat. No way they're alive.
Hey, he's still in here. Is he breathing? Can you see?
I don't know.
Hey, you alive?
Oh, I bet that's an ugly scene right there. Oh.
False. Hey, you alive? Try to pull him out. Try to pull him out of the car if you can.
I look at his legs.
Oh yeah, no. We're not gonna be able to get him out.
8535. He's trapped in the vehicle, unable to pull him out.
After a 6-mile pursuit, the SUV lost control and collided with a tree, resulting in a fiery crash that claimed the lives of all 3 occupants instantly. None of them appeared to be wearing seatbelts at the time of the collision. 2 firearms were found inside the vehicle, with one reported stolen. Toxicology reports indicated that Nelson, the driver, had THC and methamphetamine in his system at the time of
that's
the
it.
crash.
You wouldn't have got that much trouble.
Family, friends, and other loved ones released balloons to honor the 3 who they say their deaths were preventable.
Our next fatal
whatever.
pursuit takes us to Marion,
RIP though.
Arkansas. On Friday, July 28,
Come on.
2023,
You gotta stop,
Officer
bro.
Austin Metheny of the Marion Police Department
Oh, we're
observed a
not.
Crown Victoria leaving a high-crime neighborhood and decided to follow the vehicle. After tailing the car for a while, the officer eventually pulled the driver over at a Shell gas station on State Highway 77.
Hey, how's it going, boss man? You don't care to put your hands on the steering wheel
What's
for me?
up?
So, hey, man, I stopped you tonight because you don't have a light on your license plate. It's completely blacked out, man. So you can't read it till we get right behind you. That's all right, man. It has to be readable up
Okay.
to 50 feet. You got a driver's license and insurance?
Nope.
Is there any marijuana in the car, man? I'm getting
Yup.
an
That's
Oh.
a yup.
or marijuana. I'm not messed up about marijuana. Is there a little bit of marijuana in the car? Just smoke or? How much is a little bit we talking? Well, don't reach for anything, please.
Oh, dude.
So a little bit of like I said, man, I'm not messed up about marijuana. Is there any weapons or anything? No weapons? Okay, you care to hop out for me?
Oh no.
Yeah, I just need you. Like I said, dude, it's just marijuana. I'm not messed up about it, but I can't just. It's illegal, so I can't just let you drive away with it. You know what I mean? Well, I'd be neglecting my job. Is there something else in the car, man, that you're worried about? No. Okay.
He's on something else for sure.
It's just part of my job, man.
Oh, he's gone.
He's taking off. Pursuit.
That old ass car. Come on, man. Oh shit, he's actually hauling ass. Bro's hauling ass. Over methamphetamine. Come on, man. You just turn yourself in. Oh!
Supposedly trying to assault an officer.
What's an idiot? Just pull over. Oh. Woo! F was gone. RIP. Oh, fell off. That cop got lucky.
I wrecked out. I TBI'd 1016.
Oh! Damn! What the fuck? Oh my god! No way! He just hit that car, bro. He was probably still alive. Not no more. Look at that guy's face. He's like, oh shit! Dude, look at that guy's face. Look at that guy's face. You see his last moment. Oh my god. Dude, right here. Oh my god, I can't even see him no more. Boom! Dang! Done! Woo! 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 Now that's a crazy one.
Being from Memphis, the driver, 32-year-old DeMarcus Clark, fled towards home doing over 100 miles per
How did he
hour
just
on
stop?
I-40. Officer Metheny,
None of
however,
that would happen.
would not allow him to cross state lines. He called for backup and requested assistance from the Arkansas State Police, who quickly joined the chase. Metheny eventually caught up with the Crown Victoria 6 miles away from the borderline and successfully executed a pit maneuver.
But in doing so, he forgot.
As Clark's vehicle came to a stop, Sergeant Stephen Roberts of
Why did he keep going? He should have stopped. He should have pulled over right here. This cop is dumb. This cop is dumb. Had he pulled over when this crash occurred, he could have probably stopped. He probably could have saved
Arkansas
that guy.
State Police, who had joined the pursuit,
Why would he not stop? Pull over.
collided with the wreckage
Like he's look at oh no.
obscured by smoke. The events unfolded rapidly, leaving Sergeant Roberts no time to avoid the collision.
I see, I guess.
After the crash, a fire erupted while Clark was still trapped in the car. Despite efforts to rescue him, he was later pronounced dead at the scene. Investigation followed the incident, reviewing the actions of all officers involved in the pursuit. In the end, they were all cleared of any wrongdoing. On January
Damn, what the fuck? That's crazy.
20th, 2020, in St. Charles, Maryland,
is rid-
Charles
that's-
County Sheriff's Deputy
crazy
Chad
case.
Irwin was patrolling around St. Charles
That's crazy.
Parkway when he noticed a Toyota Camry making an illegal turn. When the officer signaled for a traffic stop, 41-year-old Joseph Eugene Penn made the dumb old decision to flee.
Bruh. Mine was a crazy scene too, though.
685 is running.
I didn't believe though. What is he doing?
Everyone XBC.
Oh no. Flying. Dude, he's flying. Whoa. That car is like, fuck, he's zooming. Oh my god. Damn. Oh, you already crashed.
685.
What the fuck? You already crashed or what? Damn, what the hell?
685. I don't know if we just hit 50, but like half a car is on the roadway. Coming up the parkway. There's debris on the roadway.
Woo.
Slow down, whoever's coming up the parkway. There's debris on the roadway.
380.
How'd that happen?
I'm out. It looks bad. Nope. Driver ran into the woods.
Just a few miles into the pursuit, Penn lost control of his car and crashed into a nearby thicket around St. Mark's Drive. After canvassing the area, officers found his passenger, 52-year-old Inga Person, ejected and mortally wounded.
Oh,
Penn managed to escape into the surrounding brush while
what
the
an
first
asshole.
responding officers were focused on attempting to save his passenger. His injuries, however, wouldn't let him get too far. He was later tracked down and taken into custody. It was later discovered that
way
Penn
too much adrenaline.
had open arrest warrants for failing to appear in court for a charge of theft over $25,000.
Dang.
Penn told authorities he took off because of the open warrants, and he had also ingested cocaine. In 2023, he pleaded guilty to vehicular manslaughter and was facing up to 10 years in prison for this offense. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any update on his case. On December
I wonder what happened.
16th, 2021, ASP Trooper Spencer Morris joined a pursuit after U.S. Marshals requested assistance in apprehending 2 suspects, one of whom was wanted on multiple felony
Tyrese,
warrants
you know he did it. For whatever he did, he did it.
out of South
Whatever he's
Carolina.
accused of, just know he did it. Bro just looks like a menace. Well, looks like a crazy menace. The fuck? Oh, this was shooting. That was crazy. I told you he's a menace. What did I say? Who looks like who looks crazy? We just shot at the cop. No fucks given.
1016 and around all units, 1019. Confirmed, city.
That cop pulled out that rifle and said, "Let's get it." In case you didn't see it. In case you watch right here. Watch right here.
Around all units,
Let's
1019.
get it.
Confirmed, city.
Nah, this guy's crazy right here. This guy's crazy. The Ultima too. It would be in the Ultima.
Shot fired, shot fired. You hit. 23, are you hit?
Was not even answering back. I don't give a fuck if I'm in.
13, 4 city, still chase.
Shoot at this guy. What the fuck? Shut the cop.
Be advised, he has like an AR or an AK of some sort. That's what he shot through my car with. He turned around and followed the Memphis unit. Try to calm and control your breathing, 23. I'm heading to you as fast as I can, buddy.
The pursuit spanned from West Memphis, Arkansas into Memphis, during which one of the suspects fired shots at the ASP trooper, hitting him once in the chest. Trooper Morris returned fire, and when the dust settled, Dogan and Taylor were both dead. Trooper Morris recovered from his injuries, and in May of 2022, he was awarded the 2021 Arkansas State Police Trooper of the Year.
Okay.
Unlike
Look at that op.
Arkansas, North Dakota is not very renowned for traffic violations that end up in police pursuits. That's probably because not a lot of people like 31-year-old Randy Cole come out of the state. On a Wednesday morning, May 19th, 2021, Grand Forks County Sheriff's
Deputy. Middle of nowhere. Where are the buildings? Where's anything?
He's identified a stolen 2005 Pontiac Grand Prix traveling southbound on Interstate 29 near Thompson.
Who lives in North Dakota?
He's attempted a traffic stop, but Randy, the driver, was not in the mood to go to jail, so he chose to flee, initiating a high-speed pursuit that reached speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. During the pursuit, Randy's passenger, 24-year-old...
That cop's so happy. This is the most action they've seen all, year. All
Elena
year.
Fladeland can be seen momentarily opening the door, seemingly attempting to exit the vehicle.
Shut the door!
Hold the door! North Dakota.
You're going to get hurt!
Door passenger door open again. Send an update to user location.
And why do they have two roads going this way, and then one road going this way? What? What? Confused on that. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? That truck said, I mean, I don't really care. You're gonna die. I'm gonna get hurt a little bit. Truck didn't even move. He could have moved all the way, but he didn't move all the way. So, you know what? Fuck it. The truck's not gonna get hurt that bad. God. No! It's a mess to clean up.
1050, head on to semi.
That car said, the truck said, I'll be off by the day. I'll be off today.
1050, head on to semi.
Head on to semi.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Woo! Fuck that.
1050,
Fuck this guy. Go check on the semi.
Semi.
Damn! You don't even know where's the driver at. This is the steering wheel, no driver. Damn.
1050,
head on 1050.
1050, head on. Location.
That looks to me like he intentionally took himself out.
No.
Randy Cole was pronounced dead at the scene, while his passenger, Elena Fladeland, sustained serious injuries and was transported to Sanford Hospital in Fargo. Both of them were not wearing seatbelts. The truck driver was also transported to the hospital for minor injuries. After the accident, Elena Fladeland recovered from her injuries and would go on to become a positive member of the community. Or so I thought.
The Fargo Police Department responded to the report of an assault at the treatment center yesterday morning.
Oh, no.
The report stated an employee was attempting to collect a sample from Elena Fladeland when she began choking the employee, restricting her breathing. The employee did suffer injuries from the incident.
Crazy girl. I like, comment, subscribe, if you like these type of videos, comment down below for more. Whoop.
Bye, have a great time.